It's Christmas time and Santa's here, making the children smile, but he's just a pedophile, so you better watch your child. Christmas trees in every house, covered in shiny lights, but they just turn brown and die, or set your whole house on fire. These are the reasons I hate the season, but I'ma give it a try. Maybe this year I won't be sad on Christmas. Maybe I'll have a happy holiday. Replace my heartache and my pain with mistletoe and candy canes. This Christmas could go my way. I've never seen reindeer fly, I've never heard the sleigh bells ring, I've never seen a snowman come to life, I've never heard the angels sing. But I hope and I pray that maybe this Christmas day that'll change. Maybe this year I won't be sad on Christmas. Maybe I'll have a happy holiday.